Left catastrophic damage in towns along Haiti's southwestern coastline. Grief is growing by the hour, too. The news agency Reuters is reporting nearly 900 deaths, and officials believe that number will likely rise. South Florida's Haitian community is already hard at work trying to raise awareness and support for their devastated nation.
And Local 10 News reporter Sanella Sabovic is live in Little Haiti to show you how you can help. Sanella.
Well, Calvin and Lori, we've seen the devastating images come through. Towns left in ruins, streets flooded, hundreds dead. What Haiti needs most right now are donations, and South Floridians are answering that call.
Everybody's sad because a lot of people die.
Devastating images out of Haiti as the death toll keeps rising, now in the hundreds.
We've seen quite a bit of destruction of homes. Early numbers say at least 2,000 homes destroyed.
Hurricane Matthew left behind a trail of destruction. Homes were turned into rubble and roads were washed out. Flooding a big concern.
It is right now a catastrophic situation, but under control.
Aid is arriving to Haiti. Government officials are working to get supplies out to those that need it the most.
We're working now to provide them with food, water, medicines, and shelter.
The World Food Program says it has enough food available for 300,000 people for the next 30 days.
The people have gone through a lot. They also are very resilient. But it's a very difficult time for them.
And here in South Florida, the Archdiocese of Miami held a press conference discussing the immediate needs in Haiti.
Haiti now is facing a humanitarian crisis.
I bring something for the people.
And the Notre Dame de Haiti Church is accepting donations now.
They are in need and they are in need now. Please do whatever you can, and whatever you do will make a big difference.
Again, the Notre Dame de Haiti Church is currently taking donations as we speak, along with all City of Miami fire rescue stations. They're also taking donations for Jamaica and Cuba that was also devastated by Hurricane Matthew. For a complete list of places where you can donate to, log on to our website, local10.com. For now, reporting live in Little Haiti, Sanella Sabovic, Local 10 News.